This is the register. The left side is your item catalog, and the right side is the cart where items land before you save or charge. Tap a category tab to filter the catalog to one group of items. Tap All to bring everything back. Type in the search bar to find an item by name. The grid filters as you type. Tapping an item that has variants opens a picker. Choose the option you need before it goes in the cart. Tap a variant to add one unit to the cart. Tap again to add another. Tap more items to build the cart. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust quantities, and the running total updates at the bottom. Tap Save Order to hold this as an unpaid open ticket. It waits in open tickets and on the board until the customer comes back to pay. To take payment now, tap Charge instead. Heads up! Using the register needs the Use POS Register permission, held by all 4 default roles. Removing items from a saved ticket is held only by owner and admin by default, since reducing a saved ticket is a sensitive action.